This 2015 Ford Transit wagon is brought to you by Sullivan Motor Company. Rest easy. With its one-owner and AMP buyback qualified Carfax report, you can rest easy with this Transit wagon purchase. Warranty included. A full factory warranty is included with this vehicle. Contact us today for more information. Low miles. Get the best value from your vehicle purchase. This 2015 has a low 43,496 miles. Key features and options: comes equipped with rear air conditioning, MP3. This Ford Transit wagon also includes power driver and AMP number 039, seat, clock, tachometer, power steering, telescoping steering wheel, power windows, power mirrors, driver airbag, passenger airbag, intermittent wipers, side airbags, keyless entry, AM, FM, third row seating, center armrest, side curtain airbags, roll stability control, tire pressure monitor, premium sound, overhead console, aux. Audio input, power steering, power windows, power mirrors, power driver seat, rear air conditioning, clock, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbags, keyless entry, intermittent. Visit us at bestasreads.v12soft.com.